Warga Patisi TV.
Ka NPP Ribhoi District hakashitrik urusau arah jarak posan. Pynkup Burom UMLA jong Jirang constituency ba sustain sotun belasyak thong ku Myntri hapo ka sarkar belai lam dukon rat ke sangma ku Myntri rang ba. Hagajelang kablolong parish hall nongpo laidon lang UMLA ku sning u Dr. Celestin Lingdo UMLA jong ku umroi uba daman ba lamri UMLA ka mau hati uba Charles Marngar u President ke NPP Ribhoi unit uba Clement Maulong kidukhat ke NPYF bad ke NPWF.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.